Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditya and today we will be discussing about another lead code problem, which is remove element, which is categorized an easy level problem. So the problem statement is given an integer array nums and an integer val. Remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. The relative order of the elements may be changed. So this is all the problem statement and some examples are also given to check. So basically we have to remove all the elements which are given as val from nums. So the class solution we defined, then we are defining the function remove element, then we are inputting two values, nums which is the list and val which is an integer, and then we are outputting an integer data type. Then count equals to nums dot count val. We are counting the number of occurrences of val in nums. Then we are iterating around count. For I in range count, nums dot remove val. We are removing all the occurrences of val from nums, and then we are returning length of nums after removing all the occurrences of val. So let's run this. So the output is 2 comma 2 and expected was 2 comma 2. So it ran correctly. Now let's submit and see what happens. Yeah. So the runtime was 84 ms and it was faster than 5.66% of Python 3 online submissions. So this is how we do the LeetCode solution for remove element. Thank you.